AZ, like other single-platform models, was equipped with power units, gearboxes, and suspension common with GOT4. The most common cars with a 1.6-liter engine. Less common are 1.8-liter turbocharged versions brought to us from abroad, but a 125 horsepower aspirated 1.8-liter, as well as diesel modifications, is difficult to find. The 8-valve 1.6-liter engine is highly reliable and unpretentious. It turned out to be so successful that many VW models are still equipped with it. But the gasoline 1.8-liter turbocharged engine with a capacity of 150 or 180 horsepower has its own characteristics. First of all, before the trip, the turbine should be warmed up for at least 3 to 4 minutes. After an active drive, you should not immediately turn off the engine, but let it idle a little. This will reduce the temperature of the turbine, preventing oil starvation of its impeller bearings and their overheating. In addition, it is necessary to punctually observe the terms for changing the oil, use only high-quality ones, and the air filter. Otherwise, the turbine may fail prematurely. Subject to these recommendations, the turbine resource is up to 200,000 kilometers. Repair of this unit will cost a lot. When replacing the timing belt, it is necessary to check the operation of the water pump, which is also driven by this belt. Transmission. All cars of the model were equipped with 5-speed manual transmissions and 4-speed automatic transmissions. In both gearboxes, the oil is designed for the entire life of the unit. However, service workers still advise changing the lubricant in a mechanical gearbox after 120,000 kilometers and an automatic after 60,000 kilometers. These units do not create serious problems during operation. The clutch resource directly depends on the owner's driving style. Suspension. AZ suspension is reliable and durable. In front-wheel drive versions, McPherson is installed in front, a conventional semi-dependent beam in the back, and only in all-wheel drive versions are both suspensions independent. The suspension before overhaul is able to serve 80 to 100,000 kilometers. All silent blocks and ball joints are changed separately from the levers, so repairs are not particularly expensive. On all versions of the model, the steering is equipped with the power steering, but Servotronic, which changes the force depending on the speed of movement, was offered as an option. Steering rods and tips are also reliable. Before 100,000 kilometers you won't have to change them. All versions were equipped only with disc brakes, with no problems noted. AZ can be recommended to those motorists who want to stand out among the massive owners of Golf-class models with an uncommon vehicle.